Yes. So this has a very minimal amount of slurry on it. Just want to grab there now. Yeah, this is super grabby. Yeah, this is like barely any pressure. I'm just basically holding it on there and it's grabbing. So if you feel it wanting, like the stone wanting to grab, you want to lighten up your pressure like right away, because what you can do is, without realizing it, you just start pushing in and down into it, and it feels like you're getting it stuck. But you can, what can happen is, what I've done is blow out the work I did. So if you feel that sensation before it wants to grab or whatever, just make sure you let up. Yeah, that's feeling way better than what it was before. I think I got those trouble spots mostly worked out. Now I'm just blending these strokes. And the stone's pretty slow, which I think I like. You really feel the gumminess on this. This is a sticky, gummy feel anyways, but it's really magnified with, hear that? It's lower instead. It's almost wanting to grab the hair. Make sure that's real set. It's starting to get that grabbing, like that toothy grab into the stone feeling. So I feel like I'm working my way out to that apex a little bit more. Alright, let's see. Okay, the toes wanting to grab a little bit more. Let's focus on this area now. And for me, it's not so much like the hair cutting, it's how it feels when it engages with the hair. And the way it felt on the hair coincided with the pitch that I heard from this. So yeah, it's grabbing the hair now. this is a consistent resistance. On the stone surface. So now I think I'm going to try upping the keenness. I'm going to use some little soft 3-beam. And I think it might be a green, yellow-green. It's pretty silky, really soft. And I think that's what they I've read online, that they're really soft, but they give you a really smooth edge. So what I like about this, it's much quieter, is I just get not quite taking away the imprint of the caudicle, but just to get a little bit more refinement at the apex. I think it speeds things up because of the slate just really works with that delicate edge. This has a grabby feel anyways, but with this steel, oh my word, it's like super gummy. Like you're stirring honey. Wet chalk in it. I don't know if I said it before in the video, but to me, the Thuringian, especially the softer ones, feel like the old slate boards and the fine chalk that we used to have in school. It's like super creamy ones, the chalk. They're a little bit harder than the softer one, which was probably a cheaper one. So depending on the teacher, they had the different chalks. And so this reminds me of the nicer, smoother chalk writing on the slate or the chalkboard. Like a smooth chalkboard, like a nice chalkboard. That feels good. Let's give it a little look.